Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add text in Canva. And this is quite simple. Alright, let's upload a file that I want to use. I want to use this file just right here, and I want to place it a little bit to the right. Then from here I want to add black text here on the left. So what I'm gonna do now is go to text, and then I can click on add a heading. And then right now I can do something like hello, please subscribe and like the video. Now what I can do now is click something here on the right, throw it a little bit to here. Then we can double click on it, do Ctrl A, and then we can a little bit change the size of the text. And this is exactly how you can add text in your Canva creation. You have also a lot of nice fonts right here. So if I want to add this one, you can add this one. Or if you want to add this one, just click on that and then you can add that one. So this is exactly how this works. It's very simple, trust me. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.